Hello everyone, my name is Aurinko Zamzam Naruli from Indonesia, and today I will tell you how everyone can meet safely each other in person during the COVID-19 pandemic. In this pandemic, there are some rules that we need to follow to keep us and others safe, such as get vaccinated as soon as it's your turn and follow local guidance on vaccination. Keep physical distance of at least 1 meter from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a properly fitted mask. Clean your hands frequently with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Cover your mouth and nose with a bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. If you develop symptoms or test positive for COVID-19, self-isolate until you recover. One of the ways to keep ourselves and others safe is washing our hands frequently. And today, I will make a natural hand sanitizer for everyday use. First, the hypothesis of this experiment is key lime together with betel leaf can be used to make natural hand sanitizer. 1. We need about 50 grams of betel leaf. 2. We need some key limes. 3. We need some water. 4. We need a bigger glass, a glass cone, an Erlenmeyer flask. We also need a spray bottle, a small bowl, a filter, an oral syringe, a scissor, some filter paper, and a water jug. We also need a stove and a steamer. And now let's make it. Cut the leaf into small pieces. Pour 200 milliliters of water. Steam the leaves using small heat for approximately 30 minutes. Squeeze and filter the key limes to get juice. Turn off the stove when it's already 30 minutes. Filter the extract and put it into the bigger glass. Filter and put in 40 milliliters of betel leaf extract into the flask. Filter and put in 10 milliliters of key lime juice into the flask. Then pour 50 milliliters of water into the flask. Mix all the materials and pour them into the spray bottle using the glass cone. You can now use your own natural hand sanitizer. Why do I add the key lime juice? It's because key lime contains ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid acts as an antioxidant, so this helps with the betel leaf extract that is very easy to be oxidized. The result is the final product, betel leaf extract hand sanitizer, can be used in a longer period of time.